Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this fantastic gift for the guitar lovers, the rock lovers, the music lovers. You have this kind of like guitar amplifier key holder that you can attach to your wall if you want, because you have all the screws that you need over here. And if you don't want to use the screws, you actually have like a double-sided sticky pen that you can actually put it in the back and put it against furniture if you want, put it against the wall, put it against like some panels or whatever you want. You can do this one. You can see that it has, this is not something that you can actually take out, but it has kind of like the handle, and it has the perfect style of the amplifier. But then also comes with this one, so you can also attach this one to the wall with the screws and just have a separate one just for your backpack or your purse or something like that, with this really nice guitar over here. But want to see the best thing about this one, once that you put it in your key, you put your key over here, and you can just take this one out of the wall, and that's gonna be your keychain. So that is even better. And if not, you can leave this one fixated over here in case that you want to put something that is gonna stay there. For example, you have your garage controller or something like that is gonna stay over there. You can use those two. But for other ones, you have this one right here that's gonna be your keychain. I think this is a fantastic gift for the guitar lovers, the musicians, the music lovers. This could be fantastic for that as a gift. You can put it in the wall and take your keys with you on the go with this fantastic keychain.